we will send parachutes on the guns of the forces. Get ready, airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door, we're coming. Take your jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachutes. Get all those gliders ready to attack today. Look up or we'll be gone.
And today on Have a Knife Day, it is December 15th, and we are progressing in our Boker Plus Advent Calendar, the 24 days of Knifemas. We are building this knife, of course, so without any further ado, here we go to number 15th. Now, as I skillfully struggle to open up this box, there we go. There you go. Let's find out what we get inside. Well, we have another scale. So if you can't tell, and you really can't tell right now, we have two options for scales. We have a beautiful carbon fiber and of course these OD green scales. Now you can either do each side the same color or you could do 1 and 1. There you go. So let's go ahead and put this box back into this because I enjoy struggling to pull these out every day. Well, why stop now? And let's take a look at what we have over here. So there's its mate, reunited, and it feels so good. There you go. So you could tell our selections right there. We have our beautiful bolsters and our knife blade, a challenge coin, a PVC patch, a neck gaiter, and we're getting so very close. So thank you so much for spending time here with me today. I'm going to do my best to open up one of these a day. I do have some work coming up here in next week, and it's going to be some long days, but we're going to soldier through this and put this together. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, in 9 days, we're going to have a knife day.
We will send parachutes on the guns of the forces. Get ready,